Hi there. Every year, people come from all over the country to spend some time away with Barbara and like-minded friends at themed crafting sessions which range from stamping, stencil work, gel press, Groovi, fresh cut dies, or all of the above. For 2 days, you'll be taught by Barbara herself in a range of different crafts. We provide all the materials you need, and plenty of refreshments are on offer too. You'll get a chance to try crafts you never thought of trying, or hone your skills at art you already love. So if you're up for a little break and a chance to treat yourself, come on down and share a laugh with us and the Clarity family. Call now or head to our website. We'd love to have you.